the ones that have,
I think Popper has two great virtues. One is that he writes or he wrote clearly, with a minimum of technical terms, and he wanted to be understood because he thought clearly. And the second is that he was a very good defender of realism, but he had no ontology, had no ethics, and so his position concerning the philosophies was very weak. For instance, he was very to admit the existence of the reality of the truth of parapsychology, and he was very angry with me when I wrote a paper criticizing the steady state theory in cosmology, which postulated, among other things, that matter is being created over time ex nihilo, from nothing. So he says that it's a scientific theory because it is reputable. Yeah, many ideas are reputable, but you don't get in the workplace for refuting, for instance, the hypothesis of the existence of Bigfoot. You need positive evidence in addition to that. For instance, if someone claims that AIDS is caused by a certain virus, well, you have to show that the virus exists, and moreover, you have to show the effect it has on animals. And you need positive proof, you need positive evidence, not only a negative evidence. If Leverrier comes with the idea that, or others, that there is a planet, a new planet called Uranus, well, someone has to find it. It's not enough to refuse a proposition that there are no planets in that region. You have to exhibit an image of the planet, and so on and so forth. So his negativism is exaggerated.